Hey, what's up everybody? It's design engineer again, and in today's video we'll be learning how to change an object color from this to this. Alright guys, what you should notice here is that this one is different from hueing an object. This one is different from hueing an object. This one is the only selected part you want will be adjusted and will be worked on here on your smartphone, and the tool we'll be using is PicsArt. Okay, let's go to the app here, and this is the app here. I'll drop the link, is on my drive. I'll drop the link to download it. Okay, and the image we are using, I'll drop it, the link to download it in the description box. Okay, there's the app open. Let's this app open. Okay, oh no, okay, it's not giving us enough to rotate mode, so we'll be recording this way. You click on the plus icon. Okay, this is the image you'll be using. One thing you should know here guys is that this is different from hueing on pixel lab. When you hue an object, the whole object or image will be hued, and it will give you different tones of the according to the color that are perceived in the object or image. But here now I want to change only a selected part of the object or image, and that will only be changed here on pixel lab. Okay, make sure you watch through the video, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, and guys, always comment, ask question, and that's all. Okay, so to do that simple trick here, you just come to effect. I will drop the link to download the app in the description box. Just click on effect, and we have options here. This simple, VFX, black and white, blur, sketch, and the one we are going to use here is this color. So you click on color. Now we have option for color splash. This one is just like black and white, so you come here and see replace color. Okay, you click on it, and it's giving you this color picker for you to pick a color. And what we want to pick here now is this human dress, which is a pink dress. So we've picked it. It has given us a color to change. So you come to hue, replace, and this adjustment, then you start working on it. It has covered some selected parts. Okay, let's work on it. Let's say you want to change the lady's clothes, and what you should note here is that it's affecting all the purple parts of the image, and we don't want that. We don't want it to affect it. So what you do here is click on this one to make it a drop down. Come to this eraser button. So then you adjust your eraser, this eraser, then you can adjust your brush size. You can work on opacity, just make sure you adjust it. So then you start erasing. I think the hardness is just adjust. You can redo here if you over clean it, and so this is what you do. Make sure you clean patiently. The importance of this is just when you are not okay with the color and you don't want it to, okay, and we've erased the color, and can you see now it's not affecting the other image. So this is a tool that you can start using, and I'll be dropping a new video on how to use PicsArt and anything we discovered about PicsArt. So stay tuned, make sure you click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell, and always share the video. Alright, see you next week Friday. Bye.